everybody, it's me, SimGame 2018, and Meat Canyon made a new video with Nikocado Avocado, and I've watched quite a bit of him lately, so I think this is going to be very funny. Let's go.
Ooh, doesn't this look good? Oh, it got on my shirt. Oh my gosh, I'm out of food. And it's your fault. Ooh, look at this though. That's tasty. And I know all you trolls come to my channel and tell me to eat healthy food, but then if I eat healthy food, no one watches the video. So I'm just gonna do what I've always done, and I'm gonna eat these spicy tacos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow to eat more Taco Bell and Takis.
Where's Orlin?
We need to retake this photo.
Wait, which one?
The one where
Is
we
that
went to
Orlin?
Florida a couple years back. It was such a nice time. Did we ever get more cheese at the store? I need it for a video. Gonna try and record 2 more today. If I keep uploading at this rate, we'll be able to get that house we were looking at. Who knows, maybe we can even get matching G-Wagons. No. What is happening?
What's going on?
Don't touch me!
That's Orlin.
No!
What? Hmm?
Say yes to Panera's new
Wait,
salad
that's
with
it?
pepperoni flatbread. Panera, live your yes.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.